I don't need to be
Okay,
here.
this is my potatoes down here. They grow underneath all this, so I don't know if there's any potatoes in there, or if it's just nothing, or how many, or how big. So we'll dump them out and find out.
Drum roll, please.
We started these in the basement, or no, in the garage a long time ago. Uh-oh. I don't see any.
Oh, there's one. Yeah, there's one. There's one. Oh, those look awesome. There's a bunch more right there. I've seen 4 in your hand. There's one that fell out of your hand besides those little ones. That's going to be that awesome potato salad we talked about. Yeah, baby.
I feel like I'm missing a whole plant somewhere.
Those are called Yukon Gold, right?
Yep.
You're digging for gold.
Ooh, there's a big one.
Ooh, look how perfect it is. Nice.
Well, I think that's it. Not so good, but
It's a first.
I learned something. I should have waited about probably 1 or 2 weeks after the plant died. That's all.